It's a lovely spot.
Hello, friends. Yeah, it's a bad weather last night. A very strong wind and strong rain,
I'm going to
and
stop here again on our way to Broken.
and we we survived too. We're not wet. So here is what's this in between orange and butters.
Yeah. And Blaney, which is the coldest place in New South Wales, is just down the road,
Oh,
just to the south.
so this is the view here. It's very wide. Campground. See, we have someone there also. the same tent like us. See, I will be cooking our food because last night it rained. We did not eat. We just ate crackers and cheese. I was not able to cook. I will be cooking now. OMG. This is life. We tried to I swim a lot. And then we picking cherry yesterday afternoon. Very sweet in Nasdale. So we're cooking. I don't know. I have turon here. I think I will cook rice or I don't know. There's eggplant, turon. Okay, that's it for today, friends. I'll be cooking soon. This is a camper van life. It's nice. It's here. The whole night it rained and very windy. Oh my God. Okay. Thank you.